Welcome to Coin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about a Spillionaire or the Spillionaire protocol. Let's look why this project have an easily 100x potential, and you can have here an APY, an annual percentage yield of over 484,000%. Let's have a look what's behind Spillionaire. Spillionaire, the sustainable DeFi money printer. The Spillionaire platform, masked as a meme coin, Spillionaire coin is a high-yielding, innovative metaverse governance token with the central utility of auto-reward distribution backed by S.P.I.L.s, providing PT gaming in development its own swapping platform and bsud rewards, offering even more unlimited earning possibilities. First of its kind, not just you run of the mill get paid to HODL. HODL to the moon, guys, but not only this. You can read here, auto staking and compounding, both done conveniently from your wallet. Interest paid every 15 minutes, 96 times a day, low risk, multi-backing stability system, metaverse and gaming. Yes, we have a fair launch when this token is available exactly in 2 days, and that's why you hear this before it happens. And be one of the first, or you will be the last. Be one of the first, buy this token and make some huge money. And what else is behind this project? So let's have a look. We have here a description how to buy this token. For sure it is a BP20 token. You can buy this token. You can buy this token on PancakeSwap for sure. You can see the SC token address, and they also will have a S.P.I.L. swap, an application you can use on their website. And as an investor of Spillionaire protocol, you have total control over your private equity and digital asset portfolio. You are not giving this to a third hand. The system is simply an aid to financial freedom in place, providing a high yield perpetually, forming partnerships, evolving service, creating a digital footprint, aiding in adoption. Our smart contract ensures that we will have the capacity to execute all plans and deliver higher gains for years to come, even after the APY is retracted. And yes, join the social media of the next 1000x community. Here is a link to their link tree, so you can find here on this link everything what is important or connected with Spillionaire coin. For sure, these guys are with 896 followers right now, and on Telegram with over 2,000 members. But that's not all, guys. I will not show you if this is not something special, because there's more behind it. Look, their growth goals are not only the APY, it is also beta stage gaming, Spillverse competition. Spillverse, that means it will be a new metaverse. For sure, they will have their own mini game and NFTs the Spillionaire NFTs, S.P.I.L.L Swap, and a S.P.I.L.L Stream app. Legendary NFT launches. It will also have this nice little spillies here. I call them spillies. And yes, they are already in a good position. They have already a community. And here you can see their KYC. It is all completed. It is all double checked. And they have another website, Spillionaire Live. And here you can see hold and earn highest fixed APY. Just hold the token and get more of it. One of the highest paying auto staking and auto compounding protocol in crypto. We have identified the following critical aspects to support this interest rate and consistent financial development for our investors. In the first 12 months, Spillionaire pays out 484,000%, which is one of the highest APY of the market. And yes, I mean, here's a calculation what you can easily earn just with $1,000 US. It's hard to think even about these numbers, but it makes me smile if it just half of it will happen, right? Tokenomics. 33% liquidity, 60% fair launch on pink sale, and I think on PancakeSwap you can also buy this token, but try it first on pink sale. Here the description how to auto stake. Spillionaire positive rebase formula allows token disruption to be directly proportionate to rebase investors, which are worth 0.02269% of the entire number of Spillionaire tokens stored in your wallet every 15 minutes. So you get paid out every 15 minutes. And yes, it is a rebase token. Some of you guys will not like it. Some of you guys know exactly why they are good for. And yeah, let me know what you think about this project. Let me know what you think about Spillionaire. I will put you all the important links down into the description under this video. And leave me a like, maybe subscribe to this channel if you want to see more new projects, what will coming up next. And for sure let me know what you think about Spillionaire. Until next video, I wish you the very best profits and see you later, alligator. Bye.